Hello from me, Lazarus IDE. I briefly present to you the 8th lesson of the paid course on working with databases in Lazarus IDE. As you know, this course is based on my book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE. Last time we looked at example 7, adding data processing buttons. And now we'll look at example 8, a phone book with buttons in a SQLite database. Let's open the PDF file. Of course we could make this example from scratch, right, by opening a new empty project in the Lazarus IDE and creating the two forms, the interface, the buttons procedures, everything from zero, but since in this case we have a working program from the previous example, we'll just transform it, as a more efficient method. However, this is not the topic of the free presentation, so here I will only show you our program in its finished form. We compile, run, and first create a new empty database here. I'll name it base. There is no data in it yet. It is empty, so we have to enter it. For example, we write all the data. In the fields, name, address, position and phone. And then we press the Add button. And you see, the record immediately appears in the table. Then I close and press the Refresh button to update the data. If I want to add a new person, I write sample data for him too. As I can use the old data as a basis and only slightly change it. Let's add. And one more record, we fill the fields with sample data. Consecutively one after another. And press the Add button. I have set the column width to automatic. And now, if we want to change something using the buttons, we just press the corresponding button. For example, if we want to edit, we press the Edit button. Let's change the city, for example, to Varna, and press the Refresh button, and we see that everything is updated. What if we decide to delete a record? We highlight one of the cells in the row and press the delete button. That's it, and press yes if we want to delete. But in this case, I will not delete this row and I will leave the database as it is. That's all for the presentation of this interesting tutorial. Best regards.